How to get more veggies into your diet. Do you struggle with eating vegetables? Are you eating 7 to 13 servings, which is now what's recommended to us? It used to be 5 a day, but that's old news now. So I'm going to share with you three ways, simple ways to add more veggies to your life. I am Robin-Nutritionist from Necessary Nutrition, and I help women over 40 get our nutrition in order. And I also help you mitigate symptoms and concerns related to the pause. And I say pause, that's perimenopause, menopause, postmenopause, all of that, the pause phase. All right, so let's get into it. So for us, as we age, the consumption of vegetables becomes so critical. When we were younger, we had more leeway, but now we don't. As our estrogen changes, our estrogen is an antioxidant for us, and our estrogen is on the decline. So we have to be so proactive in getting what we need in our bodies. And fruits and vegetables, we're talking about vegetables specifically, very, very important nutrients. Let food be their medicine. All right, so let's not make this a long, drawn out video. Here are three easy ways that you can add more vegetables to your diet. Number one is to have smoothies or soups. Whenever you can add, and this is good for your family too, sneak in some vegetables every time you eat, the better. So let's say for smoothies, throw in some spinach, some carrots, not carrots, cucumbers. I don't know about carrots in the smoothie, maybe, but cucumbers, maybe carrots. That's not what I meant to say, but cucumbers, some leafy greens into your smoothie. Soups, handful of spinach. You can put all kinds of vegetables in soups. That's an easy one. But just think about every time you eat, if you can add some vegetables, really every time, even if you're doing eggs, maybe you're doing eggs in the morning, add in vegetables. Every time you eat, add some vegetables. Be intentional, right? So smoothies and soups. And the other thing is to challenge, number two, challenge yourself to a salad a day. Just make a big salad on the weekends, put it in your refrigerator, and eat on it throughout the week. So number one is add veggies to your smoothies and to soups. Number two is be intentional with a salad. And also in there, I'm saying every time you eat, ask yourself, did I add veggies to my meal? Every time you eat, put the veggies in. Little by little, just as much as you can, put the veggies in. And potatoes and corn is not what I'm talking about. All right. And then the last thing, so for the past 8 years, this is what I've been doing, is I actually take fruits and vegetables in capsules because it helps me to bridge the gap. I know it's difficult to get as much produce in as I need. And I thought as a nutritionist that I didn't need any more than I was getting. Not true. So I started taking Juice Plus fruits and vegetables in capsules 8 years ago. It has been a game changer for me. And it's something that I recommend to you and your family and those that you love. What I love about it, it's been around for 30 years. And as a nutritionist, because there's all kinds of gimmicks and knockoffs and other fruits and vegetables and capsules. Well, what was important to me was I read the research and I like that I have the bottle here. It's called Juice Plus, and it has nutrition facts, which I love. And so it's just fruits and vegetables, the pits, the peel, and the seeds. And it just bridges the gap between what you should be eating and what you don't eat. And I just find it easy. And the crazy thing is, if I could show you this, is I chew them. I do. Because I don't like to swallow pills. I'll put them in my smoothie, but I'll also just chew them because it's food. It just tastes like garlic, but whatever. That's what I do. So those are the three ways that you can get it in. Salad, smoothies, be intentional, soups. Just think every time I eat, am I adding vegetables? And then if you're interested in taking fruits and vegetables in capsules, I recommend Juice Plus. And I'll put the information in the down bar. And I swear by it. I've noticed since taking Juice Plus, I used to have red eyes. That was gone. I used to have a dry patch of skin on my forehead. Just a whole lot of good stuff. But what happens when you flood your body with all these fruits and vegetables? You look younger. Mm-hmm. All right. Peace and blessings. That's all I have to say about that. Eat well, think well, and be well. Oh, if I didn't say this, let me know if you have any questions, comments, like, subscribe, and that's about it for today. All right, peace and blessings. Now I say eat well, think well, and be well. This is Robin from Necessary Nutrition, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.